Are you or your loved ones feeling overwhelmed with the thought of downsizing? Well, you're not alone. Change is difficult at any age. Downsizing as a senior is one of the most emotional journeys you'll ever face. And for older seniors, there's the added variable of needing physical assistance, packing, and preparing. But it doesn't stop at physical limitations. Between the stress of emotionally letting go, having to interview, hire, and pay, and manage various service providers, and then preparing your home for sale, it's no wonder so many people feel stuck. But what if you didn't have to do it all yourself? For years, my one-stop, full-service downsize program has helped hundreds of seniors experience a smooth, safe, and stress-free transition. With my full-service program, which is trusted, proven, and recommended by families and retirement communities, you'll never have to juggle multiple service providers. I handle everything: decluttering, packing, moving, unpacking, setting up your new home, and preparing your current home for sale, and of course selling it for top dollar. My job is to make everything as effortless as possible. I've even written a best-selling book that takes all the worry and guesswork out of downsizing. If you or your parents are considering a move, whether to a condo or a retirement community or just a smaller home, send me an email, mike@downsizing.ca. Let's have a real, no-pressure chat about it. I'll answer all of your questions about downsizing. No obligations, just honest guidance. And if you'd like a copy of my best-selling book, send me an email and I'll give you the link so that you can get your own personal copy. mike@downsizing.ca. I look forward to connecting. Let's turn this big change into a new beginning together.